If you want to take your precision woodworking to the next level, a high-quality router lift is one of the best upgrades you can make to your workshop. Let's break down the top 5 router lifts on Amazon in 2025. Leading the pack is the JESSEM MAST-R-LIFT 2, widely recognized as a gold standard in the woodworking community. This lift is constructed with a CNC machined aluminum top plate, delivering strength, rigidity, and longevity that professionals trust. One of its biggest advantages is the ball-bearing lift mechanism, which allows for silky smooth adjustments with minimal effort. The crank handle, accessible from above the table, enables height micro adjustments with extreme precision, translating to more consistent cuts and cleaner profiles. It also supports above-table bit changes, eliminating the need to remove the router from the table. Compatible with a range of popular router motors, this lift is ideal for those who want accuracy, speed, and professional-level reliability all in one. The next top contender is the JESSEM ROUT-R-LIFT 2, model 023110. While it's slightly more affordable than the MAST-R-LIFT, it still delivers on quality and performance. The main difference is its phenolic top plate, which is less expensive than aluminum, but still durable enough for most workshop environments. This model offers effortless crank adjustments, solid lockdowns, and bit changes from above the table, ensuring your work isn't slowed by awkward setups. It's compatible with several mid-sized routers and is particularly loved by hobbyists who want pro-level capability without the premium price of higher-end models. Its smooth mechanics and excellent repeatability make it a dependable tool for serious woodworkers. Another exceptional option is the KREG Precision Router Lift, which stands out for its engineering and fine-tuned adjustability. This lift is designed with a micro-adjust dial that allows for height changes in 164-inch increments, perfect for intricate work where every thousandth matters. Like the JESSEM models, it offers above-table height adjustments and bit changes, making setup and routing more convenient. What sets the KREG apart is its universal compatibility. It fits over 20 different routers, thanks to its innovative carriage design. Users have praised its rock-solid build and intuitive operation. Whether you're creating joinery, cabinetry, or complex patterns, the PRS 5000 gives you the kind of confidence and control that translates into professional results.
For woodworkers on a budget or those with a Bosch router table, the O-School Router Lift is a solid value choice. This lift includes a thick aluminum plate and robust lifting mechanism, delivering stable performance with easy above-table adjustments. Though it lacks some of the micro fine-tuning features of higher-end models, it more than makes up for it in reliability and simplicity. Setup is straightforward, and once installed, the O-School lift makes it much easier to dial in your router depth for clean, accurate passes. It's also favored for its compatibility with Bosch routers, making it an excellent pairing if you're already invested in that ecosystem. This lift is a great entry point for DIYers and intermediate woodworkers looking to add precision to their routing without overextending their budget. Rounding out the list is the ROCKLER SL Router Lift, a favorite among hobbyists for its well-thought-out design and smooth performance. One standout feature is the snap-lock insert ring system, which allows users to change insert rings quickly and without tools, a small detail that saves time during bit swaps and different routing operations. It offers consistent above-table height adjustments and is built with a phenolic plate for durability and resistance to vibration. While it might not deliver the same premium feel as the JESSEM or KREG models, the ROCKLER SL performs reliably and fits the needs of most home-based workshops. It's a practical, budget-conscious choice that doesn't sacrifice on basic functionality.